Okay, I'm not 100% sure this is correct, but this is my thoughts. If you look here at the Z, I have it wired blue, red, green, black. And I used these clear sleeves to mark this one going down to the relay to each of the channels that I have a white ferrule. Notice each of the white ferrules, that's the harness that's wiring going to the Z port. Then I have the X port. Okay, so if you notice my X port, I put black on the sleeves so that I keep track of them. This one is wired, and I'm not 100% sure about this, but this is what another member has his as. Red, blue, green, black. And if you follow this, this is also going down to the relay. And if you look at my ferrules, I colored those black to correspond with going to the black, or going to the x-axis, following these sleeves with the black. Okay, then this is where I'm confused on, but this is what I've done. I have the red sleeve. Here's my purple JST connector, and it's wired blue, red, green, black. And if you look at the other side, this is how I did it. Notch pointing down. And I went back up here, and as I said, starting from the bottom going up, blue, red, green, black. And it's in a red sleeve, so we follow this around. And once again, to the relay board, if you look underneath, I've colored my ferrules red for that channel. Okay, so red sleeve going to my purple JST printed connector holder with the JST pointed notch down. I didn't have a barrel connector, as you can see. I'm using an XT30 connector for power for my 24 volt source, which is going to the power connector here. Notice, ground is on the outer edge. And if you look at the bottom of the board, that pin is marked. Be sure you do that properly, otherwise you'll fry your board. Okay, moving onwards to the screen. Well, you're going to have to match up the colors based on the chart, because I don't have them memorized to say for the video right here. But there's the one reset wire. There's the two EXP connectors. It's a total of 13 wires. EXP1, EXP2. And that goes up over to the screen. Notice that notches down. Here's EXP2 on the right, EXP1 on the left. All 13 connections are connected in these housings. So that's where I stand right now. I'm still left. I need another JST connector holder to put here. I'm still a touch confused as to where that's going to go yet. I'm assuming, I don't know yet. I have some research yet to do. The Featherwing board is supposed to go here, is my understanding. Otherwise, it can be mounted externally in this box right here. I haven't made up my mind how that's going to happen yet, but that's what my thoughts are. I still haven't figured out the end stops and everything yet. As far as the wiring harness goes for SmuFF, this is where I've gotten. This is the end stops and the two steppers. And when you flip it around, I basically did what Greg did in his video. I matched everything. You know, the end stops, 3-pin. Sorry, I'm struggling with this video. Black, green, red. Notch down. I made 3 of those, just like that. These ones are just kicked to the side, but they're the same color scheme. Black, green, red. Black, green, red. As far as steppers go, I matched his as well. Let's see. Notches down. Black, green, red, blue. Black, green, red, blue. So, that's where we stand. Like I said, I'm still confused about these 2 connectors yet. I've matched what another member has done. I'm just a little concerned because notice blue, red, green, black. And this one's, okay, well, blue, red, green, black, blue, red, green, black. I'm not sure if that's correct. I need to double check all this, but that's what I have for now. I think in one of the photos that I seen, one of the leads may be, or 2 of the leads may be switched. But I'm going to have to double check that. My apologies.